In this video, we're going to talk about how to create your very first low ticket product. So why do I suggest low ticket? It's an easy way to get started. It's a no-brainer price point. $27 is what has worked really well for me. You could do anything from $5, $17, $27, but it's a way to get an initial product out there, get it tested, and you can always increase the price later. So let's get into exactly what you need to do in order to create this product. So the first thing you need to decide is what the product is going to be. So once you have your idea, do a little bit of market research to validate this. I love to use tools like YouTube itself. Look what people are searching for, or any other social media platform, forums, blogs, that kind of thing, and see what people's problems are and the questions that they're asking about that problem. So once you've validated your idea, then you need to decide what format are you going to deliver this product in. Two of the best ways, in my opinion, to get started are either doing a video course. This could be short, 1 to 2 hours max for this kind of price point. Or you can do a PDF bundle of some sort. So this you would want to really be value packed. You don't want just like a 5 or 6 page PDF, because a lot of people are giving things like that away for free. You need this to be like 50 to 100 plus pages in order to make it feel very valuable. So my opinion is the video course is easier, but if you don't want to show your face and you're not comfortable on camera, then you could go with the PDF. Those work really well as well. And so once you know that, then you can use ChatGPT to help you create this product. So you know the problem you want to solve. You have the expertise in order to help people with this problem, right? You just need to package it all together into a product. So you could do a prompt, something like, I am a fill in the blank as to what you are. Maybe you're a health coach, and we'll use health coach as an option. I'm a health coach and I help people lose 10 pounds in 6 weeks. I want to make a value-packed video course or PDF that includes weight loss tips, workouts, and macros in order to help people lose weight. I want to sell this for, fill in your price point, $5, $17, $27, whatever feels good for you. And I want to make sure that this is value packed. That will then allow ChatGPT to spit out a framework for you, and then you can go in and edit. I highly, highly recommend you do not just take what ChatGPT gives you and copy and paste that into a PDF. It is going to sound like it came from ChatGPT. Instead, use your knowledge, use your experience, give your examples as real life. Just utilize ChatGPT to help you frame it in the right way, right? Help it package it for you. I'll put that prompt in the description below so that you can utilize that. So once you have the product created, right? So now you have the framework. So you either create the PDF or record the video course. And then once you have the product created, the next step is you need a way to actually get this to the customer. So you need to set up a sales page and a checkout page in order to do that. And then from there, you just need to market it to your customer. So you really have 2 ways that you can do this. You can either do it organic, which is just utilizing social media in order to do that. Any of the platforms work. Or you can choose to go with paid ads to get started, or do a mixture of both. If you want faster results, choosing to do paid ads is going to get you faster results. But a lot of people want to do just organic as they're getting started. They don't have the money to put into paid traffic, and that's perfectly fine and perfectly okay. The industry standard for getting sales is about 1 to 2%. So if 100 people look at your product, you can expect 1 to 2 sales out of that. That's completely normal. So don't get discouraged if you've had 50 people look at it and you haven't gotten a sale yet, right? Like sometimes you will. Sometimes it might be until you get closer to that 100 mark before you get your first sale, which is why a lot of people will choose to run ads earlier on to get more eyeballs on their product, because that's really what you need. You need your product in front of people. If people aren't looking at it, then you're not going to make the sales. So if you want more help on exactly step by step breaking down how to create this product from scratch and get it ready to launch, and want templates for that sales page and that checkout page, I'm going to put a resource in the description below as well that you can go check out.